everyone, it's your boy Rickodebest, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing on this GameMax 850 watt RGB power supply. So before I unbox it, we notice that it's a 80 plus gold, and this one here is the 850 series. It tells you the connectors that it comes with and also the AC input characteristics. So this one is the 850 and it can use 100 to 240 watt. It's 12 to 6 amp, and we have 47 to 63 hertz. So let's look on the connectors that the 850 comes with. So as we can see, it comes with one 24 pin for the main. We have two 12 volt CPU pins, so that's two 8 pins. We have 8 SATA pins. For the PCIe, that would be your graphics card, we have two 8 pins. So you have a 6 plus a 2, so that gives you 8, and it's 2 of them. For peripherals, we have 3 4 pin, and that's for ID drives, I'm not right, and FDD, it comes with 1, and those are 4 pins. So let's open this tab. So before I open the box, as you can see, there is an important notice there that tells you you can test this product before you install it to see if it's working, and also it requires you to use their cable because it's a modular power supply, so they want to make sure you use their connectors so you don't have any problem. So right on the box right here on the label, it says use only GameMax original cables, and they are inside this package. So here we have the power supply manual, and I guess this tells you everything you need to know about your power supply, and it shows the cables. So we'll get more into that. We also have this warranty card. Okay, so it tells you how to register your power supply to get the warranty. We have a quick inspection tool, and this is what you'll plug. It's a 24 pin. You just connect it to your power supply and it will turn on the power supply right away without connecting it to a PC. So we have the main 24 pin that goes to your motherboard. We have the power cable from the wall to the power supply. We have the SATA cable here, and I believe there is another one, so it's 3 of them. Then we have this one here, which I believe it's PCIe. Yeah, so this is for your video card, so we should have 2 of them, and they are labeled. There it is. So this is the 2 of them. And then we have for the CPU, 2 for the CPU, and again they are labeled. Then we have this one, I believe is the peripheral, which you get connection for like old time IDE drives, and I think this is for the FFD floppy disk drive. And we have some zip tie and 4 screws for the power supply. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out this power supply out of the box. Here's a GameMax sticker. What I've noticed here, we have switch for the RGB light, so you could turn that on and off, I believe, which is pretty nice. If you don't want the light to be constant on, you could turn that off. Also on the bottom here, it tells you the wattage and the wattage for each output. On the front here, we have the label for the motherboard connector, IDE/SATA, and the blue ones is for the CPU, so they make a note of it so you don't mix it up with the CPU and the video card, because they are all both 8 pins. So that's pretty nice there from GameMax. I paid I think $105 for this power supply on Amazon at the time, so I'll be putting a link down below. If you need to purchase it, you could click the link below, and I'll be also doing a time-lapse build with this power supply, so ensure that you watch that video also. Okay guys, so here we have the GameMax power supply turned on, and we're gonna go through some of the features of the light. So as you can see right here, this is the push button in which you'll use to control the RGB light. If you long press it, I think it will turn the lights off. So there it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the lights back on by long pressing it. Okay, so there you have it. And if you press it one time, it gives you a different color. So that's a pink color. We have white. Then we have RGB colors, which would be like rainbow, and they're like running around. We have the red running around in circle. We have a slight yellow, I would say. Then we have the green. Then we have a light blue. Then we have the dark blue. So we're gonna start. So here we have the bleeding color, and this is random. It change the colors, so you'll get the option of taking the advantage of all colors by breathing in. So it breathe in a new color, breathe out a different color. So I'm gonna push it again. Okay guys, so this one is breathing, and it is the steady color, so the color don't change. And if we proceed, it goes to red, and if we proceed, it goes to a different color, and the list goes on. So I won't be going through all the colors. So now it goes back to the steady color. So we have the steady rainbow color, that's where it starts from. So if we proceed again, we get red, and if we continue, we'll get yellow, green, and the blue. That's where I started from. So that's basically all the different colors from the GameMax power supply. So if you like this video, I want you to like it, share it, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. Thanks for watching guys. Goodbye.